In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this incredibly easy to do because they have thousands of YouTube intro templates. Now, you can use these templates, edit, modify, and completely make your own. Now, once you're in Canva, what you want to do is come over here to the left-hand side where it says templates. You then want to come to the search bar just here and type in YouTube intro. We're then going to get so many different ones that we can choose from. Now, please note that some of these you do need a Canva Pro account to use and some you don't. Now, to know the difference, the ones that you need to have a Canva Pro account with are going to have this little crown icon. Then if we hover over that, it's going to say Pro. All the free ones don't have anything at all, as you can see just here. But if we scroll through these, you can find a style that you like, then you can use that template. Now, if we hover over the templates as well, it's going to show you that video in action, just like this. And if we keep scrolling, we're going to see so many to choose from. Now, this is a free one, so why not go with this one? We're now going to click onto that. We do also have more templates underneath the template that you click on. So if we look under here, there's so many more to choose from. But for this example, we're just going to click on Customize this template. It's going to open in a brand new project just like this. We can rename the video just here to Your Intro, just like that. And then here is where we can start customizing. So if we click on this, it's going to show you the whole video. But if we look under the canvas, just here in the bottom left-hand corner, we have all of this, which is completely editable. So if we click onto the page that we want to edit, so let's do this long one, we can then click onto the canvas and then we can delete whatever needed. So with the image, we can click on delete image or delete frame. So if we click delete image, we now have the frame and we can then simply add our own. So if we come to elements, you're obviously going to use your own image, but for this example, let's just go with this one. We can put it onto the canvas, drag it into the frame just like that, and then we'd have our own image there. We can also click onto the name and edit this as well, just like that. We could even change the font to anything that we want as well. Let's go with a bold one like this. And we can just simply change everything about this template. So as you can see, it's actually really easy to create YouTube video intros here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.